Dear students, question number 29 of part test 2 is a 1 mark question from measurement of distance and direction from subject of surveying, and in this question bearing of line AB is given as 150 degree and angle ABC is 124 degrees such that BC has true bearing less than 180 degrees. So this is our key word to solve this question, and it is asked that bearing of line BC in degrees. Now there are two things possible. One, angle ABC may be 124 like this, and angle ABC as BC is shown with red line 124 degrees also possible like this. But if we take the case of red line as BC, then bearing of line BC will definitely be greater than 180 degree. Hence this case is straightforward rejected. Now let's talk about the only case that is remaining, that bearing of BC is less than 180 degrees. So this is the case possible. Now we know that difference of back bearing and fore bearing is 180 degree. Now fore bearing is given as 150 degree. Hence back bearing of line AB will be, or fore bearing of line BA, one and same thing, that is back bearing of AB is same as fore bearing of BA. It will be 180 degree plus 150 degree such that difference of back bearing and fore bearing is 180 degree, making it 330 degree, which is shown by green line. Now this angle is given as 124 degree. This angle is 124 degree. So 124 is known to us, and this angle will be 30 degree because complete angle is 360 degree. Back bearing is given as 30 degree. This angle is 330 degree back. So this will be 330 plus 30 such that this complete become 360. Hence 124 minus 30, that will be the fore bearing of line BC or its inclination to true north. Hence correct answer for question number 29 is 94. Thank you.